Are you looking for fresh chances to start your own company in the UK in 2024? We have 5 brilliant small business ideas that are ideal for the vibrant UK market. In this video, we've compiled the most recent opportunities and trends that will shape the UK's ever-changing business environment. Whether you want to expand your current endeavors or start new ones, let's look at 5 small business ideas that are ideal for the UK market to get you started in 2024. One of these is home renovation services. As the UK embraces the trend of personalizing homes, home renovation services are expected to become a mainstay of the small business landscape. The business model is adaptable. The key to this endeavor's success is its ability to blend cutting-edge style with functionality, ensuring that every renovation not only looks fantastic, but also enhances the homeowner's quality of life. This allows for scalability from small targeted projects to big multi-room renovations. The UK has spent more than £41 billion on home improvements alone in the last 5 years, which indicates that there are many prospects in the industry. Customized merchandise printing is a modest business that may be started in the UK, a revenue of about £11.6 billion. The UK print sector is seen as the 6th largest manufacturer of printed things globally. The main advantage of this company is the robust market for customized goods, which might lead to a loyal customer base. Additionally, having an online presence allows a large market reach to buy high-quality printing supplies. To start a customized merchandise printing business and stay up to date with design trends, you must establish relationships with suppliers of blank merchandise and create an online purchasing system. Organic beauty products requires certification to make sure all items adhere to the strict organic criteria. It is crucial to build connections with environmentally conscious suppliers and develop a brand that appeals to eco-aware customers in the UK. Natural beauty products generated revenue of $260 million in 2023, an estimated 4.94% yearly growth rate is expected. 5 custom furniture design in order, custom furniture design. To start a custom furniture design business, one must set up a workshop and obtain high-quality materials. Reaching a larger market may depend on having an online store where designs can be displayed and orders can be placed. Significant initial investments in tools and materials, coupled with the time required to establish a reputation for dependability and quality, are essential for success in this venture. The primary advantage lies in the ability to offer unique, customized items commanding. Starting this business guarantees that you are tapping into the constantly expanding UK market, even though there are a few hurdles, such managing supplies and ensuring print quality to satisfy clients. To ensure that all goods meet the stringent organic standards, organic beauty products must be certified. Building relationships with eco-conscious suppliers and creating a brand that appeals to eco-conscious consumers are essential in the UK, where natural beauty goods brought in $260 million in 2023 and are predicted to rise at an annual rate of 4.94%. 5A unique furniture design is being ordered. Design of custom furniture. Establishing a workshop and acquiring premium materials are prerequisites for beginning a custom furniture design business. Having an online store where customers can place orders and view designs may be essential to reaching a wider audience. The time needed to build a reputation for reliability and quality, as well as the significant upfront investments in equipment and supplies, are crucial. The main advantage for this venture's success is the capacity to provide distinctive, personalized goods that command greater price PR in the market, as well as chances to establish a loyal customer base and a recognizable brand. The UK furniture market brings in $23 billion a year, and it is predicted to grow at a rate of 3.12%. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video and would want to receive more helpful suggestions in all areas of life.